McLean's theory of needs. David McLean's, also known as the three-need theory, is a motivational model that focuses on the three primary needs. Number 1. Need for achievement. Individuals with a high need for achievements are driven by desire to excel, succeed, and achieve goals. They thrive on challenges, seek feedback, and often set high standards for themselves. Number 2. Need for power. Individuals with a high needs for power are motivated by the desire to influence, control, and lead others. They enjoy position of authority and often seek to have an impact on their environment. Number 3. Need for affiliation. Individuals with a high need for affiliation are motivated by the desire for strong social relationship and belonging. They value harmony, cooperation, and teamwork. Need for achievements. Ito ay ang paghangad na maging mahusay at matagumpay sa mga ginagawa. Example, ang isang athlete nagpupursiging sa pag-iensayo upang manalo sa kompetisyon. Ang need for power ay ang pangangailangan ng isang tao na magkaroon ng kontrol o impluwensya at kapangyarihan. Example, ang isang leader ng grupo, nagpapakita siya ng kahusayan at impluwensya sa kanyang mga membro. Ang need for affiliation, ito ay ang paghahangad na magkaroon ng pagkakaisa, pagtutulungan at pagmamahal sa mga taong nakapaligid. McLean's theories suggest that three needs are learned and developed through life experience and cultural influence. Understanding an individual's dominant need can help managers and leaders tailor their motivational strategies to effectively engage and inspire employees. McLean's theory emphasizes understanding individuals'